Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to remove or uninstall any program or software on your Windows 11 PC. For example me, I want to remove Shutterline completely. This is a game I don't play very often at the moment, so I want to delete it. Let's go to the search bar first and type in Control Panel. Click on Control Panel and then on Programs. Then go to Uninstall Program. Click here. And here you have a list from all of your programs. Let's find Shutterline and right-click Uninstall. There might be a window popping up to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And you just press yes. Deinstall or uninstall, and again yes, because there was also Steam asking for allowance. Then you are going to wait a little bit. The icon is already removed. Perfect, and now you are done. The program is completely removed from your PC. Thank you for watching and see you next time.